Strong jobs report, big gap up this morning and overnight on trade talks. It would be nice to capture these moves earlier and capture some of that gap, but these are day trade strategies. And so you see Cobra 3 is long at 25.9850, open position profit of about 1,300 per contract. It's long 2 contracts here in this setup. SR counter trend 2 gold lost 825 per contract on this trade today. And the Fed is speaking today. We just sent out an email about volatility and interest rates and mentioned the Federal Reserve chairmans of the present and the past, and they're having a roundtable. I knew Jerome Powell was speaking today, but I did not know the Janet Yellen and Ben Bernanke would also be there. So anything could happen. We could see prices as high as 6,500. Not far on this chart to hit 6,500. We're at the closing value, near the closing values of December on the E-mini Nasdaq, 63.5275. So I know the bulls are coming out with a strong agenda, trying to push this forward in the seasonal time of the new year. And so another 130 points is within reach on the upside, and the stop loss is always within reach on the downside as long as we're in the trade. So anything can happen on that. There were 4 other trades so far in this 25K portfolio this year. Soybean swing was a winner of about 12 cents or $600 per contract. Cobra 3 E-mini S&P lost on that trade on the second, and then E-mini Nasdaq had a winner, had a loser on the long side on the second and a loser on the short side on the third. And so coming into today, minus 1,200, and then this trade minus 800, so minus 2,000. And then we're in this open position trade right here, currently plus 1,300 on the E-mini Nasdaq. So that's the update on the 25K portfolio. Wanted to keep you updated on the latest, and we want to start on drawdowns. It was in a drawdown coming into the beginning of the year, and I'll show you the latest on that as well. So coming into the year, it was minus $3,400 drawdown, and you see coming into today minus 1,200, so it was about a $4,600 drawdown coming into today, and a $5,400 drawdown after the gold SR counter trend 2 stop loss, and so about a $5,000 risk to worst case drawdown. So other trades that we're tracking are Tick Pulse one trade so far this new year, and that is a losing trade, stopped out on the short side here. And so it had a nice 11K run since we released this Tick Pulse coming into this final trade before that previous loss. So about a 10K run since December 15th when we released it. Tick Pulse is long right here, and the average trade profit over the last 10 trades is minus 211.25. We like it to be between these purple lines, plus or minus 100. We don't want it to be too hot or too cold. And so those are the points that we trade that. So that's the update on the 25K portfolio and Tick Pulse MM.